The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a great looking device. The first thing you notice is the screen. It's clear, bright, and we found it buttery smooth to swipe through. It's a big 1.36-inch display ringed by a raised bezel on the titanium casing to protect the watch from impact. It certainly took up a lot of real estate on our wrist, but as someone used to wearing chunky Germans, it didn't feel unnatural. Their sapphire crystal glass and titanium casing is also said to be twice as durable as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, ensuring it's equipped to take on an adventure. Fittingly, the Samsung's toughest watch yet, the raised bezel gives it a rugged feel, adding to its outdoorsy nature. The silicone strap with a hinged debuckle band is exclusive to the Watch 5 Pro as well. As this sporty brand is not available with the standard Watch 5, it's a utilitarian piece of kit, and it took sleek with the black titanium colorway watch we tested. But we anticipate leather bands for more social occasions are on their way in the near future. The Watch 5 Pro is IP68 rated water resistant, so it can be submerged for over 30 minutes for depths greater than 1 meter. This is a step up from many common on-garden smartwatches and adds to the watch's fitness crate. Your Garmin, Suntos, Amazfit, and even Casio digital watches should all be able to withstand the rigors of seawater. Whether you are attempting your first triathlon or going for a surf with some friends for an hour, the Watch 5 Pro can effectively join those ranks. The UX is satisfyingly designed too. The watch comes with a smorgasbord of different face options, the familiar heart-shaped equivalent of the Apple Watch's activity rings, and even the activity profiles offer small animations when selected, which is a lovely touch. For example, the little stick figure runs when the running profile is selected and swims when you swipe over to the next activity format. The two buttons on the watch side aren't just there to echo Garmin, but also act as sensors by which bioelectric impedance analysis scans can be performed by pressing your fingers to them for a minute. More on this later. The Watch 5 Pro offers a 60% bigger battery than the Watch 4 thanks to a 590 mAh battery compared to the Watch 5's maximum 410 mAh for the 44mm version. What that means in terms of the watch's time between charges is around 80 hours, essentially double that of Watch 5. However, if you are making full use of the always-on display and increased power of its GPS and activity tracking tools, we're simply not sure if that impressive figure will pass muster during testing. Stay tuned for a more comprehensive breakdown once we spend more time with the watch. After handling the watch for less than an hour, we can't tell you whether to buy or not just yet, but at a glance it looks like the best fitness-oriented wearable watch yet. Although it's certainly not cheap, it's clearly got the power and chops to best all its contemporaries and go toe-to-toe with the Apple Watch in terms of performance, if not quite style. With rumors of a rugged Apple Watch 8 on the horizon, it's interesting Samsung got there first with the adventure-focused Watch 5 Pro, but will true outdoor enthusiasts will ditch their Suntos and base Garmin's in drops and embrace Wearways? We'll have to spend more time with this watch to find out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodity.